If you love flashy aesthetics, trendy edits, and eye-catching visuals, you've probably seen Prequel all over TikTok and Instagram. But is it really worth it, or is it just another overhyped editing app? Let's dive into what Prequel can do and whether it's worth your time and money. So Prequel is a photo and video editing app available on iOS and Android that's known for its stylized filters, cinematic effects, and trendy presets. Unlike basic editors, Prequel leans hard into unique aesthetic looks, VHS vibes, glitch, neon, film grain, pastel tones, retro palettes, and more. It's especially popular with content creators who want aesthetic-driven visuals without hiring a pro editor. Here's why it stands out. Huge creative filter library, video and photo tools, layered effects and transitions, and regular new packs and presets. And it integrates easily with your camera roll and social platforms, so you can export and post quickly. But Pico isn't just about filters. It also has basic crop adjust tools, color grading, and easy timeline edits if you venture beyond presets. Here are some of its pros. It has trend-forward looks that stand out on social feeds. Very easy to use, perfect for beginners and creators. Strong video output, more robust than many photo-only apps, and lots of effects feel unique compared to generic filters. However, it has a subscription model. Many best filters and effects are behind a paywall. Some edits can feel too stylized for professional clients, and limited advanced manual controls. Not ideal if you want full fine-tuned precision. So if you want quick aesthetic edits, it's strong. But if you want pro editing flexibility, it's not going to replace something like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Lightroom. The free version lets you try a lot, but the best filters and effects are in the paid plan. If you're a casual user who edits occasionally, the free tier might be enough. But if you're a creator who posts daily and want fresh, trend-driven visuals, the subscription can be worth it, especially compared to expensive desktop software. So is Prequel worth it? Yes, if you care about aesthetic, social-ready visuals and want a fun, easy editor with standout looks. It may not be suitable if you're after pro-level precision or full manual control. Prequel isn't just another filter app. It's a creative toolkit for stylized storytelling and trend-worthy visuals. For creators, social editors, and aesthetic lovers, it's definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.